Cause I'm lonely. Hopefully you gon' phone me. I don't care for no phony. You don't believe you don't know me. I don't
Do you like my hair? Is it cute? Is it giving? Okay. Anyways, yeah, I'm literally feel like passing out right now. I'm so hungry, and I didn't even drink no water today, eat nothing, and it's 4 o'clock. Like, I'm literally feeling my stomach just, oh my goodness, and it's too hot. Hold on, let me take a breath. Anyways, I'm at my laser hair appointment, and I'm not ready for it. I low-key want to cancel, but I'm already here. Like, is it too late to cancel? Because I'm already feeling pain. I'm going through a lot right now. I don't need to add another pain over the pain I'm going through. Do you get? Anyways, I'm just happy. But after my laser hair appointment, I wanted to go to the mall to grab some Mother's Day present for my mom. Because Mother's Day is literally in like 3 days. Yeah, I think so, 3 days. Yeah, get laser, after laser at the mall, and after the mall maybe grab something to eat. And I don't know when I'm gonna see you again. See you when I see you. Like, I'm literally starving right now. Like, you don't understand. Boys, I need that water. I need that Kagana water. Kagana water. Cooking that water. And I'm about to eat. I'm gonna talk to you later. I'm gonna talk to you when I see you. Stay tuned. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful ladies out there. I'm getting ready to go out with my family to this photo club event. I went to church today. I didn't vlog because I woke up this morning and I had a mini attitude. And I need to go to altar and restock on my makeup product because I feel like I'm out of everything right now. Literally out of everything right now. Yo, it's too hot outside for me. I low-key want to take a nap. I didn't even have a chance to really take a nap today. When I get back, I need to clean up. And I need to make some content stuff.
Cause I'm lonely. Hopefully you gon' phone me. I don't care for no phony. You don't believe you don't know me. I don't be playing no games. I just want you on the same. But you don't hear what I'm saying. That it's all just some game. Yeah, yeah, don't play. Yeah, yeah, the fucking play. Yeah, girl, I go explain. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, you know me, babe. No, ain't your homie, babe. Yeah, I'd rather be lonely, babe. Need your love, come and put it on me, babe. Pulling up, yeah, you know I won't be late. Pussy acting up, yeah, you know it's gon' be, hey. Give me love, love me like you know me, babe. Like you waking up and you know it's only day. Got 100 different reasons just to go and play. I ain't tryna show your pussy, yeah, it's only shade. Like the city see its titties, girl, don't close these shades. She naked when she be with me, giving clothes a break. Pussy get wetter for me like it knows my face. She ride it until she come and make my nose ring gray. When they hit it, make her feel like she got no spring break. I hit it until the box without no spring spray. I hit it till the pussy look like it don't seem straight. If you coolin' with your bitch, make sure you don't bring shade. If she thirsty for the dick, you know I won't restrain. I leave some water on the floor, no it won't be rain. Killin' the pussy make me hungry, need a 4-piece bang. Don't want your bitch, she look like she from where the dope fiends hang. I'm in the city where the motherfucking coke fiends hang. Don't wanna fuck a bitch and give a bitch a nosebleed.
So fun. We went to eat after the Puddle Club stuff, and we met my friend and her family. It was so crazy, and we saw my cousin there. It's crazy, but it was really fun. It was family time, you know. It was really peaceful yesterday, and I told you I went to church too, right? Like I work on Sunday, so it'd be really hard for me to go to church. But I actually went to church yesterday. It was cool. So today I need to pick up my jewelry from James Avery because I got a new charm add to it. I need to pick that up and probably stock up on some of my makeup product. And yeah, I don't really know what else. I'm just vlogging, y'all. I have Cold Wednesday. It's crazy. I'm nervous. I don't even know what to wear, what to do. Like for a freaking speeding ticket, y'all. Anyways, I need to hurry up and go before it's already 4 o'clock. It's about to be a lot of traffic on the road. Oh, and I want to take my camera too to get it fixed today. Because yesterday I had to take a picture on my phone camera. And I don't know, like the phone camera don't be eating like my actual camera. So we're going to get that fixed today.
Understand, but you don't hear what I'm saying.
That's fine, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a.
Hey bestie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're having like a little girls beach day. I'm so excited for that. I'm always running late as usual, so we're not really gonna do too much, okay? But let me show you my dress real quick. It's so pretty, like. How you look. Okay, go back a little bit. I don't even know if this mic is working. I think I need to charge this mic, but yeah. Hey guys, so we're heading to the beach right now. I got my sister. She driving us. Hey. And then say hi. Hey. How far are we?
We're 50 minutes.
We're like 50 minutes right now. When we at the beach. It's the first activity to ever made it out of the group chat. We've been planning a trip for like a long time, and it's actually happening. Like it's so crazy, y'all.
Crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send her back to metro housing.
I'm too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that child. Ice on the bitch, you don't know where I went. Pay for all my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Drippin' in it, I spillin' in it, new designer gear by Coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murk, so I call them smokers. Young nigga had a motion, you don't make sure the car gets. Hit a 360, windmill when I never seen. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all this jewelry, make a bitch sexy.